about reusing plastic bottles. So what do you do with the plastic bottle from your water, your juice, whichever it is? So today I'll be demonstrating to you how I'll reuse plastic bottles to make a drip for my plants, and a sprinkler for my plants. So what you need for this, you need plastic bottles and a nail. You need a nail will be for poking the holes into the bottle. So bottle and nail. You'll also need a gas burner like I am doing, so that you heat up the nail. So I was just starting on mine, so I'll show you how to go about it. Since I'm using a nail and it's going to get quite hot, I am using a pair of pliers to hold the needle. You could use a torch if you have a torch to heat up your nail. Otherwise, use a burner. But since you're handling fire, remember to ask your adult for help. So I have put a little bit of fire, not full on, and then I'm going to poke holes. I had done 2 rows, so I'm going to do my final row. And the best thing about having a hot nail is that you won't struggle to poke the holes. I've just added the heat a bit, so it does a little faster. You need to be patient for this. It might take quite some time, so you need your adult with you to help you with this. I had already done one project here with this bottle, and I hope you like the surprise I have for this one. So the reason why I am deciding to do a drip and a sprinkler, for a drip is when I am away and I need to water my plants, that will come in handy. And for a sprinkler, it's just to improvise, so that you don't have to go to the shop and buy a sprinkler. I wish you could see how fast my holes are coming along, because the nail is hot. And there I go, I have all my holes ready. The trick is, the fewer the holes, the higher the pressure. So when you put your hose pipe in, the water will flow in higher pressure. I'm going to turn this down. So I've done 3 rows of 5 holes each. I'm not going to do the whole bottle, I'm just going to do one part of it. And this one is all done. So now I prepare the bottle for the drip. So for this one, I'm just going to poke 1 hole or 2, because my nail is quite small. The trick is you use a smaller needle. Otherwise, if you use a bigger needle like this one, the holes will be too big and the pressure will be low. So consider the size of the nail or pin that you're going to use. So for this one will be the drip. So I'll put holes on the cap. There you go. So 2 holes for me will be enough, because I don't want my water flowing on too much, so that the plants don't get too much water. So I'll pause for now and go put my projects to the test, and you'll be able to see what comes up. My drip is working. So here I have filled my bottle with water. You can see the holes. So for this one, don't fill your bottle to the brim. You need to leave some space like this, so that when the sun heats up the water, there is some pressure and the water flows out clearly. So the trick is, don't put it close to the roots of the plant, otherwise the roots will get destroyed. And there I go. So I have a drip to water my veggies when I'm away, and this can last for 3 or 4 days. So wherever I go, I know that my plants are sorted. Pipe into the bottle, that's a sprinkler. So after putting it in, since the bottle is bigger than the pipe, you need to use either duct tape or rubber to tie it up so water doesn't spill out. So I'm going to have the pipe open, and you can see
So the trick is fewer holes, the higher the pressure. So you can use this as handheld and you can water your plants, or you can use a stick and stick it in here, put it to the ground and then tie your pipe onto the stick. Otherwise you can hold it, put it on the stick or lay it on the floor. And your plants get watered. A final project, which is a shower. Maybe when you go camping, this could be a good idea to have your own shower. So what I've done for this one, I've put more holes, and then of course I've used rubber to hold down the pipe and the bottle. So what you just need to do is set it up nicely and go ahead and enjoy your shower. I look forward to seeing what you're able to come up with by reusing your plastic bottles. You can use them to make some camping ideas, and I'm eager to see what you come up with.